Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today doing a quick light upgrade on the 70 Chevy truck. Going to be replacing the parking lights up front with some LED bulbs. This is the bulb here. These are 1157s, I believe. For some reason it says 2057 on this bulb, but I think they're the same thing. These are the older type where you push it in and you twist it. It's not the newer type. Obviously this is 1970. I've gone and gotten some JDMastar. These lights always impress me. Never have any problems. I'll have links for these guys, but anyway, gonna replace one here. I've actually already replaced this side. I'm gonna turn them on. I'll show you the difference. It's pretty dramatic. So there is the parking light. You can see absolutely no comparison. It's not because I'm straight on or anything. The old one is just that dim. I'll turn the turn signal on. Okay, so that's that, and it's definitely, you can definitely tell the turn signal's on, but let me show you the other side. Now that is a turn signal. Much better. I mean, a dramatic difference. So I'm going to get this other one off and I'll replace that with an LED. To get these off, you actually have to pull this complete housing off. So I'm going to do that. There's two screws underneath. One there. This is missing one here. And then there's two on the back side you got to take off. Two screws, and then you can pull this out, because you can't just pull the lens off. The lens will not come off. You can take these two screws out, but you got to take the whole light out. I'll show you. Okay, so I took it out. I don't want to unplug it because the plug-in's really old, but you can unplug these, take them out. But you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 mounting spots, and they got these little screws that hold it to the grill. And I'm just gonna push the bulb in there, twist it just like these older bulbs are. I'm gonna put the new LED bulb in there. The lens right here comes off. There's two screws or small bolts that hold it on, and you can take that off once you get this bracket off the grill, because like I said, it will not come out the front way for some odd reason. Okay, so I got my LED bulb in there. Now once you do that, you're gonna have an urge to test it out like I did, and nothing's gonna happen because this light is grounded to the grill with the screws, so you actually have to remount it to complete the ground for this light, which is very odd. So I'm going to put it all together. I know it's going to work. I'm going to put it back up together, and then we'll take a look at it. So there it is, guys. Really like the upgrade, and if you're looking for LED bulbs, can't go wrong with the JDMastar stuff. Been real happy with everything. Like I said, easy install. No heat with these bulbs. They should last a lot longer than those incandescent bulbs. And you can actually see these lights, unlike those other ones. So I'm happy, guys. I've got a bunch of other lighting upgrades that I'm going to do to this truck, so stay tuned for those. That's going to do it for this one, guys. I'll see you.